Hello. In continuation with trigonometric functions, we are taking questions from exercise 3.3. But before going through the questions, let me tell you one thing. In my previous lecture, I have explained each and every formula, and I think it is very compulsory for you to learn all the formulae so that you can use them and you will solve. Okay. So I hope you have remembered all the formulae. If not remembered completely, then also there's no problem. You can keep a paper with you, a formula paper. Okay. And after practicing, you will be in a habit to use the formula, right? But I hope you are remembering the formula, okay, and you are continuous in a process of learning the formula. Exercise 3.3, we are using formula in this exercise. Taking question number one, sine square pi by 6, sine square pi by 6 plus cos square. First question, sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. From radian to degree, degree to radian, you know that very well. I told you one thing, 0, pi by 2, 90, pi 180, 3 pi by 2, 270, and 2 pi, that is 360. Okay. Three terms you should remember. Pi by 6, simply immediate you can do one thing. You treat pi as a 180, 180 divided by 6. What is coming? 30. 180 divided by 3, 60. 180 divided by 4, 45. So immediate you can get. Pi should be treated as a 180. Direct you are getting the answer in the form of degrees. Okay. Because you are in a habit of getting the answer in degree. Okay. Solution. Sine square pi by 6. Sine square theta or sine theta whole square. Same thing. So this is sine pi by 6 whole square plus cos pi by 3 whole square minus tan pi by 4 whole square. Okay. Now let us see. Sine pi by 6, 30 degree plus cos pi by 3, 60 degree minus tan, 45 degree. Okay. Values, sine 30 by the table, 1 by 2 whole square, cos 60, 1 by 2 whole square, minus tan 45 1 square. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2. 1 fourth plus 1 fourth, 1 half. 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Okay. So these are the value direct you can get from the table. Okay. Are using ACTS. After that, I want to take a question. Yeah, question number 4. Question number 4 I am taking 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 minus 2 sec square pi by 2. Sorry, plus 2 sec square pi by 3 is equal to 10. Okay. 2 sine square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 sec square pi by 3 is equal to 10. Okay. Alright. 2 sine, the value of 3 pi by 4, immediate you can divide 180 by 4. What is coming here? 45. 45 3 is 90, 135. Sine 135 whole square plus 2 cos pi by 4 45 whole square plus 2 sec pi by 3 60 whole square. Okay. So shielding value 2 sine 135. Sine 135 coming to ACTS 135 calculator 180 minus 45. Sine 180 minus 45 whole square plus 2 cos 45 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 sec 60. What is the value of cos 60? 1 by 2 sec 60 2 by 1 whole square. 2 sine 180 minus theta. Sine 180 minus theta in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine and cosec positive, others are negative. So it is sine 45 and the value of sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 with positive sign whole square plus 2, 1 upon 2 plus 2, 2 to the 4. Okay. 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2, it is 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2 plus 8. So that is 1 plus 8, value is 10. Okay. We have to prove that this is equal to 10. Okay. One question is, find the value of sine 75 degree. The value of sine 75. That is question number 5th, first part. Sine 75 degree. Do you know how to find the value of sine 75? 75 will be breaking into two parts, 45 and 30. Okay. So what is this? It is sine 45 plus 30. 30 plus 45, it is 75, and we know that the value of 45 and 30 both. And we are using a formula sine A plus B. What is it? What is it? R sine x plus y, sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Okay. So I put the value of sine 45 into cos 30 plus cos 45 into sine 30. What's the value? Sine 45, 1 by root 2, cos 30, root 3 by 2, plus cos 45, 1 by root 2, and sine 30, 1 by 2. So it is coming root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So LCM is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 here. Okay. This is the value of sine 75. Okay. Same as you can find the value of sine 15, also 45 minus 30. And now let me select a question number 6th. Sixth question, cos pi by 4 minus x into cos pi by 4 minus y minus sine pi by 4 minus x into sine pi by 4 minus y, okay, is equal to sine x plus y. I hope you have understood it. It is a formula. You can see the list of the formula. There's a formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is it? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos A cos y minus sin x sin y. The very first formula, cos x plus y. Cos x plus y. Isn't it? This is a formula. X is pi by 4 minus x, y is pi by 4 minus y. Right. So we are using this formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So directly I put the value here, cos x plus y. What is x? X is pi by 4 minus x plus y pi by 4 minus y. I hope you have understood. this is the formula. On the right hand side I have substituted the value, because when I put the value on the left hand side, you see this is cos, what is the value of x? Pi by 4 minus x, into cos, the value of y, pi by 4 minus y, minus sine pi by 4 minus x, and sine pi by 4 minus y is equal to cos x plus y. Direct value substituted in the formula. What is this? Cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 2, 45 plus 45, 90, minus x plus y. Okay. And cos 90 minus theta, sine theta. So what to write here? Sine x plus y. Okay. The basic part of it is a formula derivation. If you have known about the formula derivation, after that I don't think so you have a problem in solving questions. Okay, but practice required. After that 7, 8, 9, ninth question is also can be done by the same method, 3 pi by 2 plus x, 2 pi plus x. How to sum the term AC using ACTS, or may I solve it just? Hello. Now taking next question, number 9. Cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x minus, no, not minus, it is multiplied, bracket, and cot 3 pi by 2 minus x into cot 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. Okay, cot 2 pi plus x is equal to 1. Okay, now let us see ACTS. ACTS, this is 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, here 270 is also required, so 270 plus theta and 360 minus theta, right? Cos 270 plus x, cos 270 plus x, here cos and sec positive, so it is sin x, into cos 360 plus x, in the first quadrant it is cos x only, then cot 270 minus x, 270 minus x, here in the third, where tan and cot are positive, so 270 minus x, it is tan x, and into, this is into, yeah, which side is here? It is plus sign, sorry, plus sign here. Cot 360 plus x. 360 plus x, again going in the first quadrant. It is cot x. Okay. Sin x into cos x. Sin x upon cos x. Plus cos x upon sin x. Okay. LCM sin x into cos x, it is sin square x plus cos square x, sin x into cos x. Term cancel, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Okay. Now I want to take a question. Question number 10. Sin n plus 1 into x, sin n plus 2x into sin n plus 1 into x, sin n plus 2 into x, This plus sign is not here. It's a multiply. Plus cos n plus 1 and cos n plus 2. Plus cos n plus 1 into x, cos n plus 2 into x is equal to cos x is equal to cos x. Direct formula is this, isn't it? Sin A sin B plus cos A cos B. Sin A sin B plus cos A cos B. Actually the formula is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B cos A minus B. Okay. This is the formula cos x cos y minus or plus sin x sin y is equal to cos x minus y. So this term should be written first, it is second. Okay. Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Direct I can put the value here. So I am getting the value because the x is equal to n plus 1 into x and y is equal to n plus 2 into x. Right? In place of that, this is the term and we are writing here cos x plus x minus y. What is x? N plus 1 into x minus n plus 2 into x. So cos, it is nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. Nx cancel. Cos x minus 2x, it is minus x. And cos minus x is equal to cos x. Okay. So direct identity can be used. Means one important thing is that when you will see the question, you see that which identity is related to that question. Okay. And direct you can use the formula identity. We are getting the answer. Question number 12 and 13 are same type of questions. I am taking question number 12. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. Is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. Okay. No identity is using here. Yes or no? Sin square A minus sin square 4x 6x minus sin square 4x. Simply a square minus b square. A square minus b square. What is it? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. So I can write here sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 6x plus sin 4x and sin 6x minus sin 4x. A square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. After using a plus b, a minus b, one formula sin c plus sin d. Sin c plus sin d. Do you know what is it? Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus dy 2 into cos c minus dy 2. So I can use the formula 2 sin c plus dy 2, 6x plus 4xy 2 into cos c minus dy 2. Right? And here's a formula sin c minus sin d. That is 2 cos c plus dy 2, 6x plus 4xy 2 into sin c minus dy 2. Okay. 2 sin 6x plus 4x 10x upon 2, that is 5x, into cos 2x upon 2x, and that is 2 cos 10x upon 2, 5x, into sin 2x upon 2, that is x. So what is it? 2 2s are 4 sin 5x into cos 5x into cos x into sin x into cos x. And we want to prove here sin 2x into sin 10x. It's very interesting here. This 4 can be written 2 sin 5x into cos 5x multiplied by 1, 2 is 2 sin x into cos x. Can be written like that. 2 and 2, 2 to the 4. And this is a formula 2 sin a cos a is sin 2a. So it is sin 2 into 5x. 2 sin a cos a is sin 2a. Sin 2 into x. So finally sin 10x into sin 2x. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now I want to take question number 14. 14 question. Sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x, then 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Sin 4x. 4 cos square x into sin 4x. How to start to solve the question? Starting from LHS. Is there any formula identity is creating here? Or it's related to that? Yes. Sin 2x plus sin 6x. Sin C plus sin D can be applied here. Okay. So sin 2x plus sin 6x and plus 2 sin 4x as it is. Here I can use the formula sin C plus sin D. 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 plus 2 sin 4x. Okay. 2 sin 8x by 2, it is 4x into cos 2x minus 6x minus 4x upon 2 minus 2x, that means it is plus 2x, because cos minus theta is equal to cos theta, plus 2 sin 4x. Okay. May I take 2 sin 4x common? What is left? Cos 2x plus 1. Okay. But on the right hand side, we need 4 cos square x and sin 4x. Sin 4x, and that we want 4 cos square x. Okay. So what is the indication? This cos 2x can be written 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 1. 1 1 cancel. 2 2 the 4 cos square x into sin 4x. Okay. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Got it? So what are you understanding? The questions from this exercise. If you memorize the formula, you don't have any problem in solving these questions. Okay? Now same type of questions there. I am taking one question number 21. Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x. Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x upon sin 4x sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x is equal to cot 3x. Okay. How to solve it? LHS. Okay. 4x, 3x and 2x. So better to take 4 and 2 in a first bracket, so that when we use the term as cos c plus cos d, then it is 4x plus 2x, 6x upon 2, 3x is coming here. Okay. So I can write here cos 4x plus cos 2x in a bracket plus cos 3x. Got it? And I told you what's the reason why I have taken here. Sin 4x plus sin 2x and plus sin 3x. Using formula cos c plus cos d, cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 4x plus 2x by 2 into cos c minus d by 2, 4x minus 2x by 2 plus cos 3x upon sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 upon cos c minus d by 2 and plus sin 3x. Okay, it is cos c plus cos d, sin c plus sin d. Two formula we have used here. 2 cos, it is 6x upon 2 3x into cos 2x upon 2x plus cos 3x upon, this is 2 sin 3x into cos x plus sin 3x. Now what should be done? Cos 3x common. Here it is 2 cos x plus 1. From denominator we can take sin 3x common. And here also same 2 cos x plus 1. Both the terms are same. They are cancelled. Cos 3x upon sin 3x, that is cot 3x. Okay? Cot 3x. Here. Now other questions from the next page. From next page, one question I am taking, tan 4x is equal to tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x. Question number 23. Tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x (1 minus tan square x) upon 1 minus 6 tan square x, 1 minus 6 tan square x plus 10 to the power 4x plus 10 to the power 4x. Okay. I hope you are understanding it, how to do it. 4x is here and we want to create in the form of x only. So we'll use the formula of tan 4x, 2x plus 2x or 3x plus x. Okay. Tan 4x is equal to, may I write here tan 3x plus x. Okay. Tan 3x plus x. And what is tan 3x plus x? One formula, tan x plus y is equal to, you are aware of that, tan x plus tan y upon 1 minus tan x tan y. Okay, that is a formula, tan x plus y. We can use this formula directly. So tan 3x is equal to tan 3x plus tan x upon 1 minus tan 3x into tan x. Okay. Now here one more problem, tan 3x. We have a formula of tan 3x also. 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Is it okay? So this formula we can use directly here. Tan 3x, 3 tan x minus 10 cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x plus 10x upon 1 minus again tan 3x 3 tan x minus 10 cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x, which is multiplied by tan x. Okay. Now everything is converted into the form of tan x. Simplification calculation is left. Okay. For calculation, LCM 1 minus 3 tan square x. This is the LCM 1 minus 3 tan square x. What is here? 3 tan x minus 10 cube x plus 1 minus 3 tan square is multiplied by tan x. So it is coming tan x minus 3 tan cube x. Okay. Numerator term is solved. Now coming to the denominator term. This is denominator term. Its LCM is 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay. This is LCM. Direct here it is 1 minus 3 tan square x minus and tan x is multiplied together, minus 3 tan square x and minus into minus plus 10 to the power 4x. Okay. You can see that the second term and last term, fourth term will cancel, and remaining term I am writing here. That is like terms will be collected. 3 tan x plus 10x, it is 4 tan x. 4 tan x minus 10 cube x minus 3 tan cube x minus 4 tan cube x. Okay. Upon 1 as it is minus 3 tan square x and minus 3 tan square x minus 6 tan square x. Okay. One term is left, that is 10 to the power 4x. And I think this is your right hand side term. You can see 4 tan x. I'll take 4 tan x common. What is here? 1 minus 10 square x upon, from denominator nothing is common, direct term 1 minus 6 tan square x plus 10 to the power 4x. Okay. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Clear? Hence LHS is equal to RHS. And after that I am taking one last question of this exercise, and that is cos 6x. Question number 25. Cos 6x is equal to 32 cos to the power 6x, 32 cos to the power 6x minus 48 cos to the power 4x and plus 18 cos square x minus 1 plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Okay. Here also same thing, there is a 6x and other terms in the form of cos x only. Okay. So after simplification we will convert everything in the form of cos x. Cos 6x. Cos 6x is equal to, may I write cos 3x plus 3x? Okay. What is the formula of cos 3x? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Isn't it? This is the formula for cos 3x. But before applying this formula, cos A plus B, cos A plus B, cos A cos B, minus sin A sin B. Okay, so sin 3x also I am writing here 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay, 4 sin cube x. Okay, cos A plus B, cos A cos B, cos 3x minus sin A sin B. Okay, so it is coming cos square 3x minus sin square 3x. Cos square 3x minus sin square 3x. By the way, its formula is cos 3x plus sin 3x and cos 3x minus sin 3x. Okay, but I am using direct here. Apply cos square 3x. Cos 3x whole square is a formula 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x whole square minus sin 3x, 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x whole square. Okay. Now we are using identity a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. A minus b whole square. A square 16 cos to the power 6x plus 9 cos square x minus 2ab. 2 2s are 2 4s are 8, 3s are 24 minus 24 cos cube x into cos x cos to the power 4x. Okay, right? After that, it is, by the way, it is coming in the form of sine, but we want to take all the terms into the form of cos. Okay, so better to take, this is sin square 3x, I can write here sin x, sin square x 1 minus cos square 3x. Okay, yes, cos square 3x minus sin square 3x can be written 1 minus cos square x, because you know on the right hand side we want all the terms in the form of cos. So rather than using this term, I think we can do one thing. After this step, it is cos square 3x minus sin square 3x. May I write here 1 minus cos square 3x. It's okay. So cos square 3x plus cos square 3x, it is 2 cos square 3x minus 1. So 2 cos square 3x minus 1. Is it okay? Have you understood it? Cos square 3x minus sin square 3x. I have written 1 minus cos square 3x because I want all the terms in the form of cos. So it is 1 minus cos square x minus it is minus 1, it is plus 1. So cos square 3x plus cos square 3x, it is 2 cos square 3x. 2 is here, and cos square 3x, that means cos 3x whole square minus 1. Okay, and after that 2 here a minus b whole square. 16 cos to the power 6x plus 9 cos square x minus 2ab. 4 2 is 8, 3 is 12 minus 12 cos to the power 4x, and it is minus 1. Okay, so that is coming 16 to the 32 cos to the power 6x plus 9 to the 18 cos square x minus 12 to the 24 cos to the power 4x minus 1. Okay, and your answer 32, 18, 24, 32, 18, 24. So one thing is left somewhere. Let us see, 4 4 is 16 plus 9, 2ab. 4 to the 8 here, 24 is coming here. This is 24. Okay, so 24 to the 8 is 48. Now is it okay? 32 cos to the power 6x minus 48 cos to the power 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Okay, so this is the value of cos 6x. It's okay. So these are the questions of this exercise. I hope You have got a lot of confidence now. You will solve all the remaining questions of this exercise. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thank you.